One of the most common questions I get asked are, what are the main incentives for first-time homebuyers? And in this video, I'm going to go over the first-time homebuyer grants and tax rebates available to you if you're looking to buy a home here in Ontario. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendrick Blanchard with Oliver & Associates Real Estate Brokerage. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all future content. And like I said, I'm going to be going over all the grants and tax rebates available to first-time homebuyers here in Ontario. I would typically go over these things during a buyer consultation, but I wanted to make this video for those who are out there doing their own research. If you want to book a one-on-one buyer consultation with myself, I've left my calendar link down below in the description where you can book a one-on-one directly into my calendar with a few simple clicks. Let's get into it. The number one first-time homebuyer incentive and the one that's most frequently used is the rebate you're going to get on your land transfer tax. So whenever you buy a home here in Ontario, you're going to get charged land transfer tax. And if your purchase price is $400,000 or more, then you qualify for the full rebate of $4,000, and it's normally submitted by your lawyer upon closing. The land transfer tax calculations can be a little funny. So to make things easier, I'm going to put a land transfer tax calculator down below in the description. The best part about this rebate is just taking off your closing costs at closing, so you don't have to come up with the full land transfer tax amount and then apply for the rebate and then get it back at a later time. This just gets wiped off at closing. And again, I'm going to leave some resources down below in the description to help you guys calculate your land transfer tax. Number two, the RRSP Home Buyers Plan. It's a government program intended for first-time home buyers to allow you to withdraw up to $35,000 in a calendar year from your RRSPs to buy or build a qualifying home for yourself or a related person with a disability. If you're married and there's two of you, then you can each pull out $35,000 from your RRSPs, which would make a total of $70,000 tax-free that you can use towards your down payment.
And that's tax-free money.
What do you mean tax-free?
The only catch is that this must be paid back within 15 years, 2 years after withdrawal. However, if you fail to make the annual payment, it doesn't increase future payment amounts. The missing payment will be considered additional income for the year and taxed as such. Check out the links down below for more information. All right, number three, the home buyer's tax credit is a non-refundable tax credit that helps homeowners recover some of the closing costs. When it comes time to do your taxes, you just put the home buyer's amount of $5,000 on line 31270 of your income tax return. The credit results in a $750 rebate on your taxes you owe for the year. If you owe less than $750, then you can only reduce your taxes to zero and you won't get an additional refund, as this is a non-refundable tax credit. So be sure to keep all of your buying documentation in case the CRA requires proof of your eligibility for the credit. Share this with a friend if they just bought a house. It'll probably save them some money this year on taxes. Number four, the Ontario Energy and Property Tax Grant. This grant is a tax repayment that helps with your property tax and sales taxes on energy. You have to meet some very general criteria, but pretty much if you're a homeowner and you pay property taxes, then you qualify for this grant. Non-seniors could receive up to $1,121, $249 for the energy component, and $872 for the property tax component. And seniors up to $1,277. Again, $249 for the energy and $1,028 for the property tax component. You just have to fill out an application form and submit it with your 2021 tax return to receive this grant. Number five, the GST HST New Housing Rebate. This rebate offers you the chance to get some of the tax back on the purchase of a new or substantially renovated home. Now, when buying a newly built home, this HST rebate is normally built into the purchase price and gets assigned to the builder upon closing. If you don't qualify for the rebate, then the HST is in addition to the purchase price. Breaking this down further, if fair market value of the home you purchased is $450,000 or under, you'll be eligible for a maximum rebate of $6,300 on your GST and a maximum rebate of $24,000 on the HST, to a total rebate savings of $30,300. Now, if the value of your home exceeds $450,000, then the GST rebate disappears entirely and it's just the $24,000 HST rebate. I've provided some links down below for more information. All right, number six, and I love this one, the CMHC Green Home Program. If you just buy your home and you put less than 20% down, then you're paying for the mandatory mortgage insurance on your home. If your home was built to certain eligible building standards, you just got to submit the proof and receive a 15 to 25% insurance premium refund from the government. If your home is not built to these standards, you have to schedule someone to come out and actually do an energy audit on your home. And if your home scores an EnerGuide rating of 82 to 85, then you'll get 15% back. If your home scores 86 to 100, then you'd get the full 25%. Now, here's a quick example of what this looks like. You buy a $500,000 home with a 5% down payment. Your mortgage insurance premium would be around $19,000. So if your home scores an EnerGuide rating of 86 to 100, then you'd qualify for the full 25% refund and get up to $4,750 back.
That sounds nice.
Now, these applications must be submitted within 2 years of possession, so send this info to a friend now who could benefit before it's too late. And finally, number 7, the Canada Greener Homes Grant. This was introduced by the federal government as an incentive for homeowners to make energy efficient retrofits to their homes. Now, if you know someone doing renovations, this could save them thousands of dollars. Under this program, you could receive grants up to $5,000 for energy efficient retrofits and up to $600 for the cost of an energy audit. For example, you can get up to $125 for every energy efficient window and door you have in your home, $50 for a smart thermostat, $875 for a waterproof foundation, and $600 for 100% moisture-proof crawl space, floor, walls, and headers. The government has further announced that they're going to start offering interest-free loans of up to $40,000 to homeowners for major home retrofits. They haven't released the details yet, but they're expected to make this announcement early this year. Those are the main grants and tax rebates available to first-time homebuyers here in Ontario. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you want to book a one-on-one call or a buyer's consultation with myself, you can go into the description where there's a Calendly link and you can book directly into my calendar. I hope that helps you guys, and please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.